Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix Wi-Fi is connected but no internet access on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error statement, then let's go quick into the process. I'm just going to share to you two easy fixes for this. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Hit enter. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your Wi-Fi. Make a right click, select disable, and then wait for some time. And then make a right click, select enable. And after that, you will be reconnected into your connection. So you just have to wait for that. And then close this window. Then we can run some commands in the command prompt. So let's go ahead and click on the Windows search bar, type cmd. Now click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here simply follow me for the commands. First command is natsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Hit enter. Next command natsh space int space ipv4 space reset log. Hit enter. And for the last command, natsh space int space ip space reset, hit enter. Now type exit and we must restart the Windows to complete this action. Hit enter. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. By applying the two solutions on how you can fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access, then your issue will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.